In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Affinity Photo. If you've ever needed your text to stand out against a busy background or simply want a clean, bold edge for better readability, an outline is a fast, non-destructive way to get there. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along confidently. Make sure you already have your text in the document and visible on the canvas. First, click the text to select it. You can do this directly on the canvas or by clicking the corresponding text layer in the Layers panel. You'll know it's active when you see the bounding box and the layer is highlighted. Keeping the text layer live, rather than rasterized, lets you change the wording later while preserving the outline effect. Next, click Layer Effects. You'll find the Layer Effects options via the small FX icon in the Layers panel or through the Layer menu. This opens a panel with a list of effects you can toggle on and off at any time without permanently changing your layer. Now, click Outline. Turn on the outline effect in that panel. The moment you enable it, you should see a thin edge appear around your text. This is a non-destructive effect, which means you can come back and tweak it whenever you want, even after you continue designing. From here, adjust the radius slider. Radius controls the thickness of the outline. Drag it slowly and watch your text on the canvas as you fine-tune. Small values add a subtle edge that boosts legibility, while larger values create a bold, poster-style look. Keep in mind that radius is measured in pixels, so what looks thick on a small graphic may feel lighter on a high-resolution document. If you notice delicate parts of letters filling in, reduce the radius a touch. For the cleanest silhouette, an outside alignment generally looks best, helping the outline sit around the text rather than over it. Finally, select the color. Click the color swatch inside the outline settings and choose a hue that contrasts well with your background. High contrast colors like white or black are reliable for readability, while brand colors can tie the design together. You can also sample from your artwork to harmonize the palette. If you need a solid, vivid edge, keep the opacity high and the blend mode set to normal. That's it. Click the text, click Layer Effects, click Outline, adjust the radius slider, and select the color. Your outline remains fully editable, so feel free to revisit City Layer Effects anytime to refine the look as your design evolves.